Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make Ramadan special recipe Tawa Kebab. During Ramadan we definitely make kebabs every third or fourth day, and the kebab recipe that I am sharing here is as crunchy from outside as it is juicy from inside. So let's start its recipe. To make kebabs, first of all I have taken half kg meat keema. I washed it thoroughly 3 to 4 times with water and squeezed out all the water from it. Now here we will take a dry masala powders. So here are 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of white masala powder, 2 tablespoons of ground coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of meat tenderizer powder. Then here I have taken 6 tablespoons of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, an egg, 2 tablespoons of spicy green chili paste, juice of 1 large lemon, and finely chopped coriander and mint. So now we will put all these spices in the keema and mix it well. Here we will first put all the dry spices in it. Then I am adding gram flour. Here I have taken corn flour in a half quantity of gram flour. Add it too. Then we will add a green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, coriander and mint leaves, and an egg. Now we will mix all the spices well. We are adding egg in it so that this kebab will not break while frying and will stick, and it will also give a nice unique taste to the kebab. So here all the spices are mixed well. Now I have taken 4 slices of bread. We will pour some water on them so that they become soft. We will not keep it in a water for a long. Just add water, and when the bread absorbs all the water, we will squeeze out all the water from it. After squeezing out all the water, we will add it to the minced meat and mix it well again. The advantage of adding bread slices is that the kebab tikki will not break while frying. So here the kebab mixture is ready. Now we will let it marinate for at least 1 hour. After an hour, we will make round shaped kebab from this mixture. So first we will apply oil on our palms so that while making tikkis, they don't stick to our hands and they can be made easily and quickly. So here we will take the portion according to the size of the kebab we want to make and give it a round shape like this, and later keep it in the middle of our palm and press it gently from the middle and give it a round shape. Press it from the sides also to make it even and make it into a round shape. So see, here the kebab is ready. In this way we will make all the kebabs and keep them in a separate plate. Similarly, I have prepared all the kebabs here. Now here I have kept the oil in a pan to heat. We will fry these kebabs in an iron pan only because we are making tawa kebabs here. So first of all we will let the oil heat on a high flame. As soon as the oil is heated, we will put the kebabs in it. Initially fry them on a high flame for 10 to 15 seconds only. After 10 to 15 seconds, slow down the flame of stove. If in the beginning we fry them on a slow flame, then it will break. So be careful that in the beginning fry it on a high flame only and later slow down the flame so that the kebab gets fried well from the inside and gets cooked. So here this kebab has been fried well from one side. Now we will again increase the flame to high and let them fry well from the other side for 10 to 15 seconds. And again after 10 to 15 seconds, we will slow down the flame and fry them on a slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see that due to the gram flour, corn flour, egg and bread, the kebab has not broken from anywhere and has been fried well from the both sides. As crunchy as it looks from outside, it's equally juicy and soft from inside. So in this way we will fry all these kebabs. Serve it with chutney or sauce. It turns out to be very delicious and tasty. It is also very easy to make and it gets ready instantly. If you like the recipe, then do save the video, and this Ramzan you too must try this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.